First, take inventory of what you got in your box. 2 10-inch pneumatic tires. 1 swedged tube. This is the swedge. Bottom brace. Threads in both ends. 2 side braces. Both parts are identical. 1 tube for the top fits inside the swedge tube. 3 pads. Bag of hardware. Assembly instructions and inventory list. 1 sticker. Supplemental assembly instructions. What you need to do next is put the pads on. Need some sort of cleaner. We've got Fabuloso here. Spray the cleaner in the end of the tube. Slide the pad over the tube. If you don't use this, it takes forever to get the pads on. Slide the pad, large pad, on the swedged tube, the longer one. Put a little squirt on there. Slide these guys together. There we go. Get out your bag of hardware. In here you've got end caps. Place the end caps in the ends of these tubes. You've got 2 extra end caps in there. Don't worry about those. And what we want to do is you've got 4 bolts. Place the lock washer on the bolt first, and then the flat washer. Screw the thing together. Once again, lock washer, and then flat washer. Now that all the bolts are set, got an Allen wrench, tighten everything up. Remember to place the lock washer on the bolt first, and then the flat washer. Once you've got all the bolts somewhat tight, then go in and cinch the rest of them down. Give them a couple of turns until the lock washer flattens out, about 3/4 of a turn to a full turn. Grab your snap rings, flip them open 90 degrees. Slide the wheel on. Snap ring through the hole, close it, and the same on the other side. Assembly's complete. Sticker's optional. You've got 3 holes on each of the sidebars. If you unscrew the bolt, move down to the bottom hole, it will accommodate a much more narrow board. If you have a long board, for example, it's much thinner than a stand-up board. With the more narrow board, you bring this bolt down. Lift up the nose of your board, slide it back. It's connected. If you want, hook your leash loop up here, grab the tail of your board, and you're ready to go.